Hey there, entrepreneurs! What if I told you you could start earning while you sleep, just 1 week from today? Imagine waking up to see your bank account growing without you having to lift a finger. Sounds like a dream, right? Yes, you heard that right. Passive income is not just a buzzword, it's a reality that you can achieve. This is your 7-day blueprint to launch your first passive income stream, with zero experience. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, this plan is designed to be simple and effective. Let's dive right in. Start with one model. Create a course, promote affiliate tools, or launch a blog. Each of these models has the potential to generate significant income if done correctly. Pick one, and stick to it for 7 days. Consistency is crucial. Jumping from one idea to another will only dilute your efforts. Focus is the key here. Dedicate your time and energy to mastering one model before moving on to the next. You don't need a fancy system. A simple funnel can be just as effective. The goal is to create a streamlined process that guides your audience from interest to purchase. Create a freebie like a checklist, cheat sheet, or mini guide. This will serve as a lead magnet to attract potential customers. Use Descript to create fast content. This tool makes it easy to produce high-quality videos and podcasts without spending hours on editing. Keep it simple, but valuable. Your audience will appreciate content that is easy to consume and provides real value. Don't have a product? No problem. You can still earn passive income by promoting other people's products. Share tools like Crowdfire for auto-posting content and Descript for easy video and audio editing. These tools will save you time and help you maintain a consistent online presence. Use Impact.com to find more affiliate offers in your niche. This platform connects you with brands that align with your audience's interests. You're building a bridge to passive income. Each step you take brings you closer to financial freedom. Use Blogger or Notion to launch your first article. These platforms are user-friendly and perfect for beginners. Solve one problem, add one CTA, share your link. This simple formula can drive significant traffic and conversions. Simple and effective. The best strategies are often the simplest. Use Crowdfire to post your blog and affiliate links across platforms on autopilot. This ensures that your content reaches a wider audience without you having to manually post it. Free up your time while keeping your audience engaged. Automation tools are your best friend in the world of passive income. Write 3 emails. 1. Deliver your freebie. 2. Share your story. 1. Recommend your affiliate tool. These emails will nurture your leads and guide them through your sales funnel. Use MailerLite to automate the sequence. This tool makes it easy to set up and manage your email campaigns. Set it and forget it. Once your sequence is set up, it will run on autopilot, generating income while you focus on other tasks. Stack new content each week. Add new affiliate links. Consistently updating your content keeps your audience engaged and coming back for more. Use Make.com to automate even more. The more you can automate, the more time you have to focus on growing your business. Watch your passive income grow. With each new piece of content and affiliate link, your income potential increases. And there you have it, your 7-day blueprint to start earning passive income. Follow these steps, and you'll be well on your way to financial freedom. Want to copy this entire system and access all my tools? I've made it easy for you to get started. Click the link in the description, or visit linkter.ee/onlymiafans to get started. All the resources you need are just a click away. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Every great success story starts with that first, often small step. Start today, and you'll thank yourself a week from now. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll see results. Until next time, keep hustling and stay inspired. Your journey to passive income starts now.